Welcome to the 47th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, we will learn the method of making trousers. Start by adding a panel with sweep. You can hide dimensions and text displays to move the garment shape. Then, add the necessary nodes to outline the garment shape. Right-click on the panel, select Set Mirror Number of Splits for Setup Course, and set to 2. Create the trouser's leg shape, and then set the relevant dimensions. Finally, adjust the knitting rules accordingly. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.